channel, click the bell icon into all and like the video if you like it. Okay, and if you have any question related to education, related to technical, just click on the Telegram app and search here Mr. MRWIP, Mr. Wip. If any question you have, you can join it. Okay, you have to this channel,
This is
you
all the
have
file
joined.
which is present for this purpose. For example, this is audio. All the audio you sent it is present here, and you come back. This is the WhatsApp profile. This if but not downloaded. This is the WhatsApp video. Okay, this WhatsApp video is sent to me, and this is the send. Who I sent which video private. Okay, this is not in your use, but in this WhatsApp video, all the videos are present which you send, which someone sent to you. Okay, now come back to these two file database and one is backup file. Okay, this is the database. This is present in the database. For example, this is mg store. This is the messages of you click here and click on the menu and click on the detail. Okay, where is the detail option? I want to search the detail option of this. Okay, mm, now this is not present. Okay, there is written 23 October 2021. This is 24 October, 28 October, 28, 29 October, 25 October, 30 October, 31 October. So without restoring option, this is the 31 October messages. Okay, if I select this and copy this to another place, so I can use it for my purpose. This is the backup option. Okay, this is you can see that there is nothing is present here. So what can you do? You just copy these two files. Okay, just copy these two files and move. I just copy these two files. Okay, and upload it to your selected file. Okay, now I create new file. Restore restore I created restore files of whatsapp of whatsapp. Okay, restore file of whatsapp. I created this file, restore file of whatsapp. Okay, you just this is my file. I just paste it here. Okay, now I paste here. For example, when you when if now I uninstall this whatsapp. Okay, uninstall, what can you do? You just upload this database file. For example, this is mgstore db crypto 14. You have to just click here and copy it to the backup file. Okay, and copy it to backup file, and now this is come to the backup file. You see this where is present mgstore.db.crypto14. Okay, when you again install whatsapp, then an option come to you that restore your messages. So you click on the local restore and your whatsapp will be restoring. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any option you don't understand well, for then come back to the telegram, install telegram app and search mr mrwip. Search what you need to search. You need to search mr web mr web. For example, you need to search mr web on Mr. Whip on Telegram app. Okay, you will find the channel and join it. We will comment to you. Okay, thanks for watching. After uninstalling, when I installing this WhatsApp, the another option will come to me when I install this. For example, now I uninstall this. Okay, when I uninstall it, now this is not present in my mobile, and then I if I install, then we come to this chat. Okay, we come to here and go to the internal storage and go to the WhatsApp. Okay, now here is a WhatsApp. This is a WhatsApp file, and go to the database. For example, this database is clear. There is nothing present. There is nothing present in the backup. So what you can do? You